In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import over 1000 contacts into your HubSpot account in just 5 minutes using an Excel file. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will help you streamline your process and get those contacts uploaded efficiently and accurately. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. It might seem obvious, but it's always a good place to start. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the Login button. Click on that to access your HubSpot account. Make sure your credentials are ready, as you'll need to log in with your username and password to proceed. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home. From here, locate and click on the CRM option. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and this is where all your contact data will be housed. Once you've accessed the CRM section, the next step is to click on Contacts. This section is specifically designed for managing and maintaining all of your contact lists, so it's vital to navigate there. Next, look for the Import button within the Contact section. Clicking on this will bring you to a page that allows you to upload your data. Now, it's time to upload the actual file. Click on Import a File to begin the process of selecting your Excel file that contains the contacts you wish to import. Ensure that your Excel file is formatted properly to match HubSpot's requirements, as this will help in avoiding any issues during the import process. Now, you'll see an option to start import. Click on it and then select Contacts as the type of data you're bringing into HubSpot. This option is crucial because HubSpot recognizes different types of data imports, and selecting contacts directly aligns with our objective. As with any upload process, a little patience is key, but HubSpot is designed to handle large volumes of data, so you should find this process quick and straightforward. Within minutes, your contacts will be ready and organized within your HubSpot account, allowing you to engage, manage, and leverage them as needed. And there you have it. A simple, efficient method to import thousands of contacts into your HubSpot account in a matter of minutes. This not only saves time but also ensures that your contact management is neat and organized, ready for any upcoming marketing efforts or sales outreach. Thanks for watching and happy importing.